Hello everyone, I hope you remember the last video where we created a macro to create a PowerPoint presentation within just one click. So I have used these codes, these copyright free images and this background music to create a PowerPoint presentation using macro. So I have done some enhancement in my macro where I have animated the text and the slide will transition automatically. So in the macro you can see that I have given the path of the audio file and the path of the quotes and the path for the background images and finally the path where we want to store the presentation. So to use this macro you just need to press Alt plus F11. Now right click and go to insert and select module. Copy the macro code, paste it here. Now go to run, press on run and select this method and click on run. So as you can see, within just one click we have created a presentation. So let's open this presentation. So when you will go to animation and then animation panel, so you can see that we have given the animation, wipe animation to the text. I hope this video will be useful and you can use this macro for free, and I have given the download link of the macro in the description. You can use it for free and have fun. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. We'll meet soon in the next video.